surface. Suitable for shallow wells in soft formations. Casing and well construction. Once the borehole is drilled, a casing is installed to prevent the hole from collapsing and to protect the water from contamination. Screens or perforations may be added to allow water to flow into the well while keeping out sediments. Well development. This step involves cleaning the well to enhance water flow by removing drilling debris and fine particles. Techniques such as airlifting, surging, or pumping are used to clear the well. Pump installation. A pump system is installed to lift water from the well to the surface. The type of pump depends on the well depth, yield, and intended use of the water. Water quality testing. After drilling, the water is tested for quality to ensure it is safe for its intended use. Tests check for contaminants such as bacteria, nitrates, heavy metals, and other pollutants. Applications. Domestic supply provides households with a reliable source of potable water. Agricultural irrigation supplies water for crops and livestock. Industrial use provides